Yeah, we're watching these little birds in Mum's bush outside the house. She gives them all this nice food, so they keep coming back for wee snacks. What are they, Mum? Blue tips?
Yeah, blue tips. But they ate all the macadamia nuts that I
Oh yeah, she's feeding them macadamia nuts. Not bad for these birds, eh? Look how cute. They're eating the raspberry dessert there. And here comes the other one. Where's he going? Oh, he's flown away. He's enjoying his little treat there.
There's always more of them when it's a frosty morning.
Yeah, because they can't find any food anywhere else.
Yeah.